Today we're 3D printing and assembling a Christmas gnome. And all these files are free and made by Watch the Maker, and you'll find a link to download them in the description below. Some of the parts do require supports, but for the most part these are very simple and easy to print pieces, and they go together very well. Now I did have a fail for mine, as you can see from the center of that green part, because I went for a lightning infill, and the problem with the green that I used here, it's matte green, it's really nice, but if you don't have a good internal support, it will cause it to do something like this. But the great thing here is this is not going to affect our assembly. And as you can see here, the hat has a lot of supports. You can go for tree supports here, or just go for normal like I did, and then of course clean it up. So now we have the actual parts. I'm going to just dry fit them to make sure everything fits up really well. As you can see, we've got a beard, a hat, a body, and a nose. So this all looks like it's going to go together really well. So now it's time to glue this up. And the gluing's pretty simple. I went and applied a whole bunch of super glue and then just went and attached all the different parts. And then I get it all pressured up to make sure it stayed together while the glue set. And that was it. So this is really good, and I love how nice and simple it is to actually assemble this. And I think it's got a really nice style to it. I like the fact it doesn't have arms or anything, but you can of course see what the shapes all come to. So the last piece is the nose, and then we are done. And yeah, I think the style of this thing is absolutely top notch. Now I will say it doesn't go together perfectly, and I don't know if that's due to my printing. It could be the filaments, especially the green one, but I would love it to just be a little bit tighter together overall. With the gluing, I put plenty of pressure on it to make sure it glued up as good as possible, but it's just not quite perfect. However, it's pretty damn close. So yeah, it looks really good, and I highly recommend printing this off. Nice and simple, good to assemble. Nice gift, I think. And if you've got the different colors of filament, especially the skin tone, I think you'll have a lovely final design here, and it just looks really nice. And of course, free to download if you want to give it a go yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.